I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me today. Oh yeah, what a beautiful day it finally turned out. I'm not sure if it's gonna rain again like it did on my last video, but let me tell you, cut to the chase, Fish. Cut to the chase. We say it like this: cut the bullshit. How do you like this peach colored table? I like it. Oh yeah, man, let me tell you, it's nothing like Cement City, baby. Nothing like it. Can you get that Cement City out of you if you're somewhere else? And if you're somewhere else, do you think you got Cement City in you? You'll never be like a Cement City person. Did I say peach color before? And what was the first three colors of the sun that you saw? Yeah, I'm not picking on you. I may be picking on them. But let me tell you, did you get the hint why I was in the distance walking close? I don't think you got it. One person may get it when I say this. Well, I'm sorry to say that you could have gotten the best budget product on the market at the best price available. Over 50% off, would you say? I would. The Fuel Aim X5 sells for $150, $159, give or take, a couple of months ago. Because the price dropped doesn't mean it's a bad microphone, people. That means they need to get their product out there, and that's what sales are for. And this sale went down to $129, and they offered you again a discount to bring it down to $114.99. But when Prime Day 2-day came, it brought it down to $103. And you get in the mail a gift certificate card to fill out that takes up to 7 days. And you get an additional 30 off. So that brings it down to what? $73? I can't add no more. Please, do the ad because you're so quick in yapping. And this is the way I talk in life. I don't talk fast for the reason of I want you to hear me say what I have to say to you so you don't get upset and go hit the pause button and now go to a 0.5 slowdown. And this way you can hear exactly what I'm saying and talking to you in a nice natural voice. Rather me talk so fast for you, and that's what people want. I'm not a kid like you. And that's why this channel is one of the best micro tubers in the world. I'm getting on out of here. I can't brainwash you to get a Fuel Aim because sky money. I guess you're not made of money, Sky. Maybe I'll call myself Money Sky. Hey, I'm Money Sky. I don't get anything. The money's in the sky. Why am I picking on Itchy Sky Money? I never pick on the gentleman. If I pick on you, that means I like you. He constantly laughs, man. Constantly. Can you ever talk serious? Now, I am a person, that's why you see the name up there. And I'm on YouTube. I do a great job sharing to the world. And I guess not many will get the Fuel Aim X5 on my channel. Maybe one or two. It was a great deal, man, and that's what this video is going to be talking about today. I'm going to be talking about the Fuel-Aim X5, but I don't have it with me. GoPro Hero 10, 9, 8, and even, yes, the 11. They all use the media module, and the 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and I think the 5 as well, they all use the Pro Mic adapter, the dongle. And that's when I could use, you got it, yeah, the Fuel-Aim. I don't want to put the media module on. I just don't love it. I don't hate it either. But yeah, man, dirty laundry, man. No, that's your home. That's your home. Yeah. Now, I wish GoPro would just put the 3.5mm mic back into the camera so we can use it. And no gains, please. Just a straightforward 3.5mm adapter. I don't want a USB-C. I want the old-fashioned 3.5. Yeah, because they do 4:3 aspect ratio photos. They don't do 16:9. So why not get back to the times? Told you, people like zombies, man. They just walk all over the place. At least some say good morning. I'm so happy I got that shot with the sun, and look at that, man. It's no longer clear. Oh yeah, I said a lot, I did a lot, and I talked a lot. Recently, for the past, 10 months, I've been shooting with the DJI Action 3 and neglecting my GoPro Hero 10. Oh man, why have I done that? Why did I pick you up before GoPro? What was the thing that I loved about DJI? Oh, Insta-on. That never worked. Autofocus, fixed focus. Oh, out of focus. Oh yeah, it's called a love and hate relationship, buddy. Before I set you up, man, beep beep, why you gotta hunk to a camera? Oh, I get it. You like to ruin people's videos. Oh, you want attention. And that's what happens, man. Oh yeah, I'm out of here. I'll see you later. I'm Fish.